So we have finally reached this place. अभी मैं बाहर जाऊँगी ना तो बहुत ही अंधेरा होगा. Yeah. So I finally reached Gayatri's house in Ooty. It is quite dark. मतलब हम लोग को आने में भी बहुत टाइम लग गया. I think it's around 10:15, 10:30 now. And we've just reached a few minutes back. बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड है यहाँ पे. See, I'm wearing a jacket and everything, so I already feel cold every time, and now it is kind of, we are here. And we are in a very old and nice house, which I'm going to show around in the morning, because अभी तो कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा है. And auntie is cooking, I guess. So this is the kitchen, auntie? Ah. What are you doing?
The kitchen.
So this kitchen, and then we have outside here also. There is room there also, auntie? Oh, okay. So you will be sleeping there? Here. Ah, right. So basically, this is it for today. I have reached this place, and now from tomorrow I'm going to explore Ooty. Chalo. Look at this one. Bye-bye. Good morning everyone from Ooty. अभी मैं हूँ दिलगिरीज में, and it is 6:15 AM and it is such a beautiful weather outside. सनराइज हो चुका है. कल जैसे ही मैं यहाँ पे पहुँची थी ना, I reached here at around 10 o'clock at night. बहुत ही रात हो गई थी, but the moment I stepped out of the car, मुझे वो ऐसे amazing सा एक moist smell, the fragrance of the flowers and the grass and the trees here, it was such an amazing feeling. और अभी भी जब मैं सुबह उठी, there are so many birds chirping around. Actually मैं उनकी ही आवाज़ से उठी थी. But this is a very pleasant feeling for me. I mean, I love it. I just can't have anything else compared to this feeling. It is beautiful morning. आज का प्लान ऊटी में घूमने का है. I just have one day, so I don't know how much would I be able to see. But as usual, there is no itinerary. Now, when everyone wakes up, as per Gayatri, she tells me that, no one starts the day before 9 o'clock here, because it is cold. Number one, it is cold right now. Very cold. And so after 9, maybe we will start. We will get out and see a few things here and there. I will of course tell you where I am going later. अभी तो मुझे भी इतना clarity नहीं है. So right now I am just taking in the views here and the climate and the amazing songs of the birds. This is Max. Max doesn't need to open the gate to come out. Hi Max. Okay, what do you want? Oh God. I think we have to go from that gate. I'll show you where I'm staying right now. So this is the place. This is the road from where I came. Downhill. It straight goes downhill here. And this is the house that I'm staying in for today. Let's go in and check. बहुत ही पुराना घर है ये, and that's why it's more beautiful. Look at the views from here. वहाँ पे हो रहा है सनराइज. And this is the small little house. यहाँ पे हम लोग सो रहे थे. Now it's quite dark and my friend is still sleeping. And here is the kitchen. Right now the door is locked, so I won't be able to show. But ये कैसा, there is a room here and a kitchen here, and here this is one bedroom. This is us. And this is the view. Where is the fire? Here.
Hot water.
So this is where I take coffee today. Auntie has made nice hot coffee and there are clouds coming from behind me. तो वो पानी गर्म करने के लिए they put that fireplace, वहाँ से पूरा धुआं आ रहा है and it's just amazing. Along with the view here. We are almost ready to leave now. Lekin not before we have some home cooked breakfast. So let's see what auntie is making. Or she's already made. Oh wow! So you did this here? This is the chutney. What are we eating, auntie? Dosa and chutney.
Or 5 minutes.
Yeah, no problem. We could have eaten outside also, auntie. Why did you take so much of efforts?
Lunch ready actually.
This is like handmade chutney.
This arch that you have, no, these roses are called button roses. We like what is it? We twined it around the arch, so like it's there as a decorative thing, and it blooms throughout the year. It doesn't have a separate season.
And this is also old enough.
It's close to 25 years. It's blooming since my grandmother's time.
25-year-old flowers. And this also, no? I like this place. Again, these are your grandmother's time.
These are bamboo. This is a variety of beans which has grown by itself over the years. It covered the bamboo, but like these are bamboos.
And these?
These are cultivation lands. For now, they have put potatoes. So next 2 to 3 beds are all potatoes.
These are all potatoes.
Potatoes are life for Ooty people, especially the Badga community.
Oh.
In any curry they make, any gravy they make, there are potatoes. Like what's the favorite food for the Barga community? It's rice and beans potato.
That's why you have potatoes everywhere.
So they are like rice and avaragas.
And show me the tiger den that you have.
It's not a tiger den, but whenever it comes, it goes there.
So according to Gayatri, the tiger comes from there.
Yeah, that's it.
And I was happily roaming around.
Areas. So we have this chula for hot water and all, no?
Huh.
So my mom and my aunt, they go there, they chop the trees and everything, they bring the wood, get them all dried, store it in the room, so you can make hot water.
This is very beautiful.
This entire valley that you're seeing, no? It's Keti Valley.
Keti. Keti Valley. These 25-year-old roses.
Button roses.
Button roses.